Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Blue Wave Capri 15-foot by 48-inch swimming pool. Bring style to your backyard with the uniquely designed Capri Above-Ground Swimming Pool. Its neutral barnwood pattern will transform any backyard into a stylish oasis. Manufactured from solid steel, the Capri Above-Ground Pool is designed to last. A simple, one-time installation is all it takes for your family to start creating endless memories year after year. Product benefits. Constructed from solid steel, the pool wall and rails offer the ultimate protection against corrosion and abrasion. Includes a standard gauge overlap blue liner, skimmer, filter system, hoses, and an A-frame ladder. 2-year limited warranty. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.